Hello everybody, how are you? My name is Andy and this is another live stream from Unlimited Knowledge. Hope you're all well, and today's topic is going to be about food and drink and eating out. I think that's actually one of our favourite topics, isn't it? Food and drink. It is mine, I must admit. Okay, so what type of vocabulary do we need when we're talking about eating out? We can eat out obviously in many different places, can't we? We can eat out in McDonald's, Burger King, KFC, fast foods, but also we can also eat out in a few more of the more posher restaurants like the Hilton. Never been there, but I've heard it's very nice. So when we phone up, if we want to phone up, how would we make a reservation? What type of vocabulary could we use if we wanted to make a reservation? Okay, so yeah, we could say, I would like to make a reservation, please. We could also say, could I make a reservation? Or, I would like to make a reservation for 2 people, 3 people, 4 people. Obviously depends how many people will be joining us that evening. And then when we get to the reservation, when we've got our reservation, when we get into the restaurant, one of the first things that we want to do is to order a drink, isn't it? The waiter or waitress, they will come over to you and they will say, good evening, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good evening, madam. Good afternoon, madam. And then they would say to you, would you like something to drink? Yeah. Would you like something to drink? And then a couple of different ways we can answer this. We could say, may I have? So for example, may I have a Coke, please? May I have an orange juice, please? May I have a water? Or we could also say, I would like a beer, please. That's what I'd order, I think. I would like a Coke, please. I would like a glass of lemonade, please. So that's how we would ask for something. I would like, or may I have? I would like, or may I have? And then after that you've got your drinks, yeah, the waiter or waitress may say to you, would you like to order now? Would you like to order now? And then you give the waiter, waitress your order. So again, we can use the same vocabulary. I would like. May I have? Do you have? I would like the fish and chips, please. That's a good recommendation. May I have the fish and chips, please? Do you have the fish and chips? Just checking that they do actually have, because some places are very popular and they do sell out. And then you can ask, what do you recommend? Yeah, what do you recommend? And then the waiter could say, I recommend the roast chicken. I recommend the spaghetti bolognese. I recommend the carbonara. And all of this is making me hungry. I'm not sure about you, but I feel like I want to eat a nice big pizza at the moment. So that's how we ask if we recommend something. Do you recommend? What can you recommend? Two different ways to say that. What do you recommend? Or what can you recommend? And then after we're full, there must be a little bit of room left for pudding. Yeah, we all like a bit of pudding. So however full we are, I'm sure that we could actually get a little bit of pudding. Again, we ask, we ask the same sort of question. What would you like for pudding? That was what the waiter will ask you. That was what will be asked. What would you like for pudding? What would you like for dessert? So you can use pudding, you can use dessert, two different ways to say it. And then you would say, for dessert, I would like, for dessert, I would like the ice cream, please. For dessert, I would like the cheesecake. For dessert, I would like the chocolate cake. That's what I'm going to have. For dessert, I would like the chocolate cake. Yeah. So a little bit of vocabulary there today with regards to eating out, how we order, what we can recommend. And don't forget, there are lots of amazing restaurants in England. So come over, practice your English, and have a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye.
Чтобы познакомиться с нашими преподавателями поближе, улучшить свой английский, разговорную речь, записывайтесь к нам на уроки. У нас, кстати, есть бесплатное занятие пробное.